We'll guide you through how to avoid common mistakes when using ChatGPT to get the most accurate and helpful responses. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the ChatGPT website and make sure you're logged into your account. It's important to start with a clear and concise question or prompt. Be specific about the information you need or the task you want the AI to perform. For example, instead of saying, "Tell me about history," you could say, "Can you summarize the main events of World War II?" This helps the AI provide a more focused response. Next, consider using follow-up questions to refine the output. If the initial answer isn't quite right, you can ask for more details or clarification. For instance, if you need more information, you could say, "Can you expand on the economic impacts?" Remember, ChatGPT learns from the context you provide, so maintaining a consistent topic helps improve the interaction. If you're working on something complex, breaking it down into smaller, manageable parts can be effective. Ask for step-by-step explanations or segment your questions into parts. Additionally, don't hesitate to rephrase or provide synonyms if the AI seems confused. Sometimes a slight tweak in wording can lead to better responses. And here's a handy tip. If you're dealing with technical topics, using relevant jargon or terms can guide ChatGPT to give more precise answers. Finally, take advantage of any available plugins or extensions that enhance ChatGPT's capabilities, like grammar or style checkers if you're working on writing tasks. These tools can complement the AI and refine your outputs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.